Up everyone, it's Sean from Our Bronco Life, and today I'm going to be installing a tailgate reinforcement plate from Hooke. Now, if you follow our channel, we have many accessories from Hooke. We love what they've been putting out, and we're excited to add this new addition to our Bronco. Now, the first thing you want to do is remove your spare tire. Next, we're going to remove the spare tire mount itself and all the electrical from the tailgate. So we're going to open up the tailgate, pop open the plastic cover, and start unplugging all the plugs for the camera. Now we got all the electrical unplugged. We have this extra cord because we have an additional brake light on there, so we unplugged it. We're just going to push through the seal so we can get all the wiring out while we remove the spare tire mount. Alright, to take off the spare tire mount, you need a 13mm socket, and we'll have 8 bolts that we're going to remove. So you have 4 on each side, 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom that we're going to remove to take off the spare tire mount. Okay, the provided hardware, we have 4 bolts with washers and spacers for the tailgate itself that we're going to use and replace. And these ones are the stock bolts that came with the spare tire mount that we already removed. And we're going to replace those with these ones that were provided by Hooke. You got 8 bolts with washers that are going to hold the spare tire mount together. Installing the provided bolts to the hinge, I used a T30 hex tool, and then down here I put a couple spacers in to help keep the hinge and the tailgate itself level. So I recommend on both sides getting something under your tailgate to get it spaced out. I also used one of the OEM bolts just to kind of give it a little added support over here on the other side while installing the reinforcement bracket. With the provided hardware, you have the longer screw that you're going to use for the hinge itself with a washer and a spacer. So I'm just hand tightening them to get it in position first so I can get all of them threaded to start. Now we are going to reinstall the spare tire mount and use the 8 provided bolts from Hooke. Lastly, just re-hook up the wiring that you unplugged, put the plastic cover back on, reinstall the spare tire, and you are good to go. Now make sure you check out all the other great products that Hooke has to offer, from roof racks, side steps, bumpers, cargo management system, and so much more. We love all the ones that we've installed in our Bronco. You can check out our page to see some of our other install videos. And I'll leave the product link in the description below, and we'll see you next time.